You know, I waited about 24 hours to make this video. I was like, I want to see if my prediction is right. And yes, boring, consolidation. Take a look at what's on the screen. What exactly are we expecting? What exactly are we waiting for now? By the end of this video, I have some ideas in my head I want to share with you guys. XRP is far from over. It's obviously at a nice level at 240s, 230s. The bottom of 177 just because of the tariffs, and the 339 with it was a very nice February, of course, right here and before, the inauguration. Now this one was because of the post on Truth Social. So we just need to find our way back to that $3 promised land. I'm going all in once again. I'm buying all XRP and crypto I can before $3. And I also want to show you some more picks. There's Brad, there's the president. Everybody's having a conversation today and and yesterday. There's another one that I haven't seen. So all new picks coming out, all new angles coming out. Obviously, you wanted to hear from the man, but it was a pretty interesting day. But here's one thing that not many people are telling you. You're ready. There's 1.43 billion XRP in open interest. There's over $3 billion that people are wanting, or they have already open positions in derivatives, in trading, in leverage. There's also a $380 million on a whale XRP moving within the last 24 hours. So what that means, that people are still keeping an eye on XRP. Come on. Even, look, I'm showing you the daily chart at this moment because if you go micro, you're like, nothing's moving, boring, yada, yada. But in reality, it's not about that. I don't see it as wrong to just have a few days of chilling as people have some opportunities to get in on that dip and see what happens. Tomorrow is Sunday. There's not really anything big going on for anybody. So, well, we'll see, right, what whales and the manipulators want to bring us. Guys, drop a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you. I'll take a look at the comments too. Appreciate my XRP community, guys. So after 24 hours, I kind of wanted to wait, before any other video. I mean, thankfully, nothing major big happened. There's a few things and headlines, right? But overall, that week, this week, from Sunday all the way to Friday, yesterday, insane. We saw everything. Like, here it is, the daily, right? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That we got our week of so many emotions, right? Now, Oscar, I know I don't have to pull up any X page or any article to tell you what exactly I think we should be cooking. So my take is that nothing really is gonna move much for XRP alone until that settlement comes in. About a week and a half ago, we're starting to get a bunch of cases with the SEC being dismissed, and closed. I've been telling you so many different times how many companies, right? Like, we know them, but Ripple is still there. And I'm like, okay, well, when? I wish I knew. I would tell you right now. I'll tell you right now, but I don't know. Also, the ETFs, there's like 11 plus ETFs for XRP outstanding, still outgoing. Nothing there yet. So some people agree that it's not going to get approved until the Ripple case is finally closed. So, Oscar, when BlackRock is going to come, and at the end of the month, we have FOMC, so that's a big one too. And China is imposing tariffs in Canada, Canada 100%, and there's more trade wars and all that good stuff. So this coming week, now as we are in the middle of February, we have learned that when Washington comes in and they sit down, sit down to the table, it's going to be a little confusing for the crypto markets to analyze, because yes, we're bullish, but because the market is not getting what we want, the retail, things don't go the way it wants, like we want when it comes to price. Take a look at the price of BTC. BTC was the biggest winner during the White House summit. BTC, Bitcoin was the winner. Like, They got a Bitcoin strategic reserve. I mean, wow. And it's still in the bloody 86,000. What that tells me is that they're waiting and they're not getting really FOMO yet. Oh, yeah, it's going to come back. It has to come back. They're still not buying much. But once it starts, we're going to see this 14 altcoin season index go up. And we're going to see this 27 and fear and greed index go up. Before that happens, buy the FOMO. No, that's what people want to do. Buying the FOMO, the retail, they want to buy the high prices. What I'm doing is buying the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, the contrast, because that makes you a better investor to go against the grain. Guys, I also want to remind you, if you are looking to trade, if you're looking for an exchange to make some good money, if you know how to do trading, of course, join PIN on BTCC. There's the first link down below. Up to 10,000 welcome bonus, 40% lower trading fees, everybody. 500x leverage. And there's my code, the link. Sign up for Canada, the US, you're good to go. If you live outside of Canada or the US, just take a look if your region can, with no problem, trade, right? There's some restrictions sometimes. I think it's important, to understand that there's still a lot of people bullish. There's still a lot of whales moving, although it feels like not much is happening. If I go back to the price of XRP right now, where is it? Let me find it really quick. Here it is. We go to the 1 hour per se. The last, 20 hours or so, nothing, not much. Not much for the price. If we get some updates from the White House, which I think we already had, so I'm not expecting anything, it's probably not going to pump the price unless it's XRP dedicated. The way, in my opinion, that XRP is going to pump out of nowhere is with XRP dedicated good news. XRP Ripple dedicated good news. That's what we need. Because the Crypto Strategic Reserve gave us this. That was Sunday. That was phenomenal, right? And people were like, we're finally going to go. Everybody was getting crazy because that's who we are, the community, the retail. But eventually, back where we started. And don't even get surprised if we go to 220s or so, because it is the way sometimes it happens, see whales selling, and that's kind of like what they like to do. But don't be afraid. Don't panic. At the end of the day, guys, this is, now we have a group of people. Might not be the best in the best interest for XRP token, but it's going to help out the banks. It's going to help out digital assets. It's going to help out the welcoming in of cryptocurrency companies here to the United States. And it's going to help out US, made in the USA crypto projects. This is going to take a little longer. It's going to take a little longer because Donald J. Trump has no clue about XRP, has no clue about Solana, has no clue about, honestly, Bitcoin, quite possibly. He's just doing what he wants, David Sachs. And this guy too, the Commerce Secretary. These three guys, I haven't really heard this guy much. This is a Treasury Secretary, but the Crypto Czar and this guy, these two, I mean, they're always on top of the crypto space, but they're super Bitcoin maxis. These are Bitcoin maxis. So to get to Brad, to get to XRP, it's a long way to go. But thankfully, we got Tom Emmer too, which I know he is somebody that knows XRP. So guys, that's just my 2 cents on this situation, right? That we may have some consolidation, boring time, which is okay, right? I'm here to tell you the reality and the facts. So I wanna see us guys pushing, and maybe right now if you decide to put some cash on the side just in case you see some more deals, but it's up to you. Just know that soon, 2025, I think things are going to change and we're finally going to start printing. I'll be ready for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate your support. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.